was into football, I was into music, I was into movies, anime, I was into painting, I was a little bit into everything. I want to do something big in life. खुद मेरा कुछ खुद का करना है, कुछ बड़ा करना है. मैं मानता हूँ कि जहाँ पे आज मैं हूँ वहाँ पे 3 रीजंस की वजह से हूँ. एक, आकाश की फैकल्टी, दूसरा मेरे पेरेंट्स, और तीसरा थोड़ा सा मैंने मेहनत की थी.
I'm getting a feeling that you are really mature for your age. तो तुम छोटे बच्चे नहीं रहे. For sure, I can tell you that.
पेरेंट्स डिसएग्री करेंगे तो ठीक है.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Champions of Aakash. Again today I have a champion from our Aakash classroom program, a student from our Delhi centers who just did the incredible feat of scoring AIR rank 90 in the JEE Advanced. You heard it right? 90, right? Pleased to introduce to you Aayush Agarwal. Ayush, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you for inviting me.
Absolutely a pleasure. And as I've been telling you before we started, this is not an interview, this is a chat. Okay, it's a coffee chat, that's why coffee is also there. Right? So be as open as possible. Everyone watching this want to know about you. You are an inspiration for them, literally, okay? Because they all want to get to where you are sitting today. So be honest, be authentic, tell them what it takes to reach there.
Sure, sir.
Okay, that's what
try my best to inspire some kids out there.
Absolutely, that's what we want. So before I get into anything else, I want to tell our audience that Aayush was AIR 187 in JEE Mains, and then he improved his rank to JEE Advanced.
Yes, sir.
Okay. ये आपने कैसे किया? Is this something you put in your mind that अच्छा 187 है, मैं इसका आधा रैंक लेके आऊँगा एडवांस में, कैसे किया बताओ?
If I go even before, my percentile in mains session 1 was actually 99.97. So calculate करोगे about 400-500 rank.
I see.
Then in session 2 I improved to 99.99, which was 187.
Yes.
Then in advance 90.
Perfect.
So starting से ना मेरा एक goal था, मेरा एक aim था कि I had to get into the top 100.
Fantastic.
So I never settled for less. मतलब मेरे को याद है कि जब मेरी percentiles आई, I was a little disappointed कि top 100 नहीं आई, top 100 रह गई. So finally I got what I wanted.
Incredible. I mean, that's amazing. See how we kept on going towards this goal. And this you will see in Aayush's career all throughout. He has been with us since 9th standard. So which means 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. 4.5 years he was focused on this one objective. And that's how he achieved it. So let's talk a little bit about this long and arduous journey, if
Yes,
I can
sir.
call it arduous.
For sure. Lots of ups and downs and lots of challenges. If I go back to the start, 8th mid के round, me and my family was like कुछ तो करना है भाई, आगे का कुछ तो सोच. And at that point we heard about ANTHE.
Okay.
I started researching a lot into this matter. Sure. And I gave my ANTHE exam, got AIR 45. And from then on it was decided we have to go for Aakash. And then in 9th and 10th I did my foundation from here. Foundation के वक्त मेरा मेन मोटिव था कि अपना एक थॉट प्रोसेस बनाना है, अपना वो स्कूल का रॉट लर्निंग से बाहर निकल के एक ओपन थॉट प्रोसेस बनाना है. एंड द पाथ आई चोज फॉर दोस वर ओलंपियाड्स. आई गेव NECGS इन क्लास 9th, cleared it. In class 10th I gave IUCM, cleared it. Then I went to 11th and I saw that 9th जो foundations build हुए ना यहाँ पे आकाश में, it was a major push in confidence, in content, in both of them. फिर 11th and 12th I logged in.
Okay.
It was JEE through and through. And 11th and 12th तो बहुत मुश्किल रही है, काफ़ी challenges थे, like I said, but I got through them and here I am today.
Yeah, absolutely. No, fantastic. And that is what it is, right? You never ever took your eye off the ball, is what I would say, right? And I think always your milestones were these examinations. ANTHE, Olympiad, IOQM, Mains 1, Mains 2, JEE Advanced. Okay, fantastic. I can clearly see how well you will do in project management. अगर 4 साल का अपने ऊपर के project किया तो
बस यही hopes है आगे के लिए.
Fantastic. So anyway, before going into the details and telling them more about your preparation, let our audience understand a little bit about Aayush the person. Tell me about yourself, your family, your interests, your hobbies, your dreams. I'm keeping it as open as possible.
All right. I grew up in Gurgaon, Sector 4. I have my father, he's a software engineer. My mother, she's a teacher. I have a younger sister, she's crazy. I have my grandparents, my loving grandparents, and I grew up with them. So बचपन से ही मैं अपने बारे में बताऊँ तो I always like to do new things.
I see.
I was into everything, a little bit into everything. I was into football, I was into music, I was into movies, anime, I was into painting. I was a little bit into everything. And I had a knack for innovation, for problem solving. School में भी it was like कुछ नया दो, कुछ challenge दो.
Fantastic.
And उसी वजह से मेरा एक major reason था कि I chose engineering because at its essence जो मैं believe करता हूँ non-medical is about problem solving and innovation.
Absolutely.
वही चीज़ मैं ढूंढ रहा था.
Yes.
So naturally मैं non-medical की तरफ shift हुआ. But when I went for JEE preparation in class 11th, सारा ये interest छोड़ने पड़े मेरे को क्योंकि it was time to actually do something big. So 11th 12th में मैंने सब कुछ pause कर दिया था, JEE की तरफ लगा रहा and अब 12th खत्म हो गया तो वापस start कर लिया.
Absolutely.
I am going out with friends, I'm resuming all of my old hobbies. I've started guitar, I'll start football academy soon.
Incredible. Absolutely incredible. I mean, I think you'll really enjoy your life in IIT, for sure.
I'm sure.
Yeah, because I mean, what we say in IITs and NITs is that there's so much of space put aside for extracurricular. There are football fields and tennis courts, but very hardly anybody uses it. So you'll not be one of those guys.
No,
Yeah.
I want to do
joking.
everything.
I'm sure that a lot of people use it. But yeah, the facilities are incredible. But I mean, I will pick up a few things which you said, right? I think one part which I can clearly get reflected is as a person, you're very curious.
Yes, sir.
Right? And it just not about learning about it, you believe in problem solving, right? That seems to be ingrained in your DNA, which then put you towards engineering, and you always want to excel. That's why you said that I want to be in the top 100 of JEE Advanced, okay, being a successful engineer. Fantastic. What about your dreams? I know this was one of the dreams, but I would just call it as a milestone in your long journey.
Sure, sir. See, my bigger picture is that I want to do something big in life. खुद मेरा कुछ खुद का करना है, कुछ बड़ा करना है. And honestly, there's no defined path for it. I'm still exploring my options. For example, why I chose IIT, because it was a platform where great minds would come. And I knew that when I'm with the right people, when I'm with great minds, great ideas can be born. So मेरा दिमाग तो है कि थोड़ा entrepreneurship की तरफ जाना है, startups खोलने खुद के. And I needed a positive environment for that. That is why I chose IITs, for that platform. But फिर भी B.Tech के बाद मेरे पास काफ़ी options हैं. I could go to civil services, I could go for masters in computer science, I could go for an MBA, or like I said, I could go for entrepreneurship.
Keep it open.
Keep it open.
Is that the reason why you decided IIT Delhi?
Yes, sir. Very great environment there. I've talked to my seniors and I just loved the energy there, the aura there.
Yeah, the cradle of Indian startups, right? Yes, you look at Zomato, Upgrad, so many companies have come out of IIT Delhi. So yeah, you'll have a incredible time, and I really like this idea that you're keeping it open.
Yes, sir.
Go out and see what is there. Make a decision over it. 4 साल पड़े हैं, बहुत कुछ है. Yeah, great. So Aayush, now let's take a step back, right? And you told me about 9 to 12th, how did you go about it and all. But tell your audience on how did you go about planning your preparation. Okay, was there a set plan or it evolved with it? How did you do a scheduling? Was there a timetable? You told about 2 years of your penance. I call it as penance, right? 2 years. How did you ensure that how did you understand that it was important, so on and so forth?
See, IIT की जो तैयारी थी काफ़ी लंबी है. Alright, and plans थे मेरे, but पहली चीज़ तो जो आप plans बनाते हो उसकी तरह कभी जाता नहीं है. तो rather than setting long term goals, हर साल मैंने यही किया कि मैंने एक टारगेट रखा और उसकी तरफ वर्क किया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन 9th में टारगेट वाज NSCJS कि कुछ भी करना है, NSCJS क्लियर करना है. तो पूरे साल मैंने उसके अकॉर्डिंगली प्लान बनाया कि नवंबर में एग्जाम, नवंबर दिसंबर में एग्जाम आएगा, तो उसके लिए तैयारी करनी है. 10th में डिड फॉर IUQM. फिर 11th एंड 12th में हमारा प्लान, टाइम टेबल, शेड्यूल वो हेड ऑफिस से आता था. वो टेस्ट, मंथली टेस्ट रूटीन्स होते थे हमारे.
आकाश एंड द सिस्टम हेल्प्ड यू.
द सिस्टम हेल्प्ड मी. इट लेड द फाउंडेशंस, इट लेड द ब्लूप्रिंट फॉर मी. तो मेरा काम तो आधा हो गया था. मेरे को बस उसको फॉलो करना था बिकॉज आई ट्रस्टेड द सिस्टम, आई ट्रस्टेड द प्रोसेस. तो 11th 12th में मेरा प्लान वाज सिंपल. हर मंथली हमारा नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट होता था, नए कॉन्सेप्ट्स आते थे और उसकी टेस्टिंग होती थी. तो इट वाज मंथ लॉन्ग साइकिल्स ऑफ गोइंग टू क्लास, टेकिंग नोट्स, थरो रिविजन, थरो R&D into notes, then testing my skills, testing my clarity through questions, and then testing me finally through the exams.
Perfect.
So these month-long cycles played out, and after the syllabus was complete, we went into revision rounds. Then again, same thing. There was an entire blueprint laid out for us. I just had to follow it.
Correct.
And then finally, just before the actual exams arrived, we got our final test series and score 300s. So मतलब सब कुछ तो हाथ में परोस दिया था, मेरे को बस follow करना था.
Oh, fantastic. And I really like the fact that you're not taking all the credit yourself and you're giving it to...
Yes, I cannot take the credit for myself.
But I think the credit is 99% yours. All the other things are just, all the others are just enablers. Right. So, so here, right, see, in this journey of yours, right, I think very well planned, meticulous journey, rather than taking, although it was a big, hairy, audacious goal, you ensured that it is broken down into smaller goals.
Yes, sir.
Project managed and into smaller cycles, and then obviously with the help of Aakash done it. What I want to understand is, in this journey, still it's an incredibly tough journey.
It is.
And there would have been a lot of people supporting you.
They were.
Tell us about that people supporting you.
Okay, so मैं मानता हूँ कि जहाँ पे आज मैं हूँ वहाँ पे 3 रीजंस की वजह से हूँ. एक आकाश की फैकल्टी, दूसरा मेरे पेरेंट्स, और तीसरा थोड़ा सा मैंने मेहनत की थी. तो मतलब सी JEE is not only about studies. JEE में this is a misconception. JEE is not all about पढ़ाई. It also requires a certain amount of emotional intelligence. क्योंकि जब आपके efforts result से match नहीं कर रहे हैं, या फिर comparisons हो रहे हैं, या फिर बहुत factors होते हैं, right? तो तब आपका दिमाग keep up नहीं कर पाता, आपकी motivation चली जाती है. तो उस केस में आपकी emotional intelligence काम आती है. And still being the small kid I was, कभी कभी खुद से हैंडल करना मुश्किल हो जाता है. और उसके लिए मैंने सपोर्ट सिस्टम बना रखा था अपने पेरेंट्स का, अपने टीचर्स का. एंड माय फादर स्पेशली, ही मेरे को अभी याद है, रात के 11 बजे कॉल करता था, 1-1.5 घंटा उनको परेशान करके रखता था. फिर कभी कभी पापा से मन नहीं किया बात करने का तो मम्मा से बात करता था. फिर कभी कभी उनसे नहीं बात किया तो मैं टीचर्स के पास जाता था. तो everyone helped me get here. I remember one day I counted the number of people I was grateful for, and at least 10 people I counted on my hands. They are why I stand where I stand today.
Yeah, no, I think fantastic, and you answered already the other question I had, because in this journey, right, there will be a lot of lows. Okay, more than the highs, there will be a lot of lows, and your motivation will, I would say, not go down. You will be. I mean, your motivation will be demolished due to some of the events. Right? So you need a lot of systems, and I think you have evolved a process to give you that support. That's pretty good. But tell us a little bit about more of that.
हाँ, that is necessary, because वो बोल के थोड़ा ना आता है, वो जो आपका mindset बन जाता है. और जब आप उस विशेष साइकिल में गिर जाओगे ना, तो निकलना इज वेरी टफ. मेरे साथ ये हुआ था, मेरे को पता नहीं था ऐसे कुछ होने वाले मेरे साथ. तो हेड्स अप टू यू गाइस, बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर एनीथिंग. सो वो एक सिस्टम धीरे धीरे सेटअप किया मैंने. और एक और चीज़ थी मैंने जो यूज़ करी, इट वाज कॉन्स्टेंटली रिमाइंड योरसेल्फ व्हाई यू आर हियर. फाइंड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग व्हाई एंड कॉन्स्टेंटली रिमाइंड योरसेल्फ. कभी कभी मन करा चलो फ़ोन देख लेता आज, तभी क्वेश्चन कर लो व्हाई वाज आई हियर. अपने आप जस्टिफाई हो जाएगी सारी चीज़ें कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉर मी, माई वाई वाज बिकमिंग द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ माई सेल्फ. तो जब भी मैं कुछ और करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा हो, तो मेरे को हमेशा फील होता था मेरे सर के ऊपर एक तलवार सी है, फ्यूचर आयुष लेके खड़ा है कि he'll come and snack. क्यों कर रहा है तू आयुष, पढ़ाई पे लग. So that internal pressure only kept me focused, motivated, focused.
Yep. And I am sure, I mean, you spoke about your dad, so I am assuming he is your role model on all these things, right? He was. So engineering, I mean, is software engineering what you want to do, or some other engineering?
Software engineering is my passion, if I would say, because बचपन में I saw Papa working. He used to work largely from home. Fantastic. So मेरे सामने ही बैठे रहते, मैं साइड में पढ़ रहा हूँ, वो साइड में काम कर रहे हैं. And I remember I used to think कि ये बड़ा cool काम है, you know, घर में बैठे रहो. And he has long work hours, that I'll say, but पूरा प्रोसेस जो वो करते थे ना, पूरा लैपटॉप पे काम, I really used to find it very cool. And तब से हो गए, this is what I want to do.
By the time you come out and start coding, probably the languages will be very different. Now maybe you'll need people who would build new LLMs for this country.
Yes,
so
sir.
It's only becoming complex, but it's going to be very, very exciting.
Very exciting, very fun.
Yes. So you also spoke about emotional intelligence, and I want to speak a little bit about it. Honestly, I wish the kind of statements you're making, right? I'm getting a feeling that you are really mature for your age. तो तुम छोटे बच्चे नहीं रहे. For sure, I can tell you that.
Parents disagree करेंगे, but ठीक है.
But very mature of you to think like that. And
Thank you.
That's a that's an aspect which people don't understand. I think you should speak a little bit about emotional intelligence and how important it is when you are getting into something like this.
See, जब 4 साल तुम एक गोल पे फोकस्ड रहोगे ना, you're in your own head for 4 years with your own mistakes, with your own failures, with your own successes.
Yep.
You learn a lot about yourself.
Yep.
And ऐसे टाइम पे you're only criticizing yourself. आपने जो भी achievements करी होंगी आपको दिखेंगी नहीं. आपको सिर्फ अपने बारे में negatives दिखेंगे कि ये भी बचा है, ये भी बचा है, ये नहीं किया, ये नहीं आता, तुझे कुछ नहीं आता है. ठीक है, तो ऐसे thoughts आते हैं और आप इन्हीं thoughts के साथ बैठे रहते हो पूरे दिन अपनी सीट पे. So it becomes really overwhelming for us 15-16-year-old kid, right?
Not only 15, for anyone.
हाँ, for anyone, really. So जब आप ऐसे कंडीशन में होते हो ना, तो अपने आप सॉल्यूशंस निकालते हैं, बिकॉज ह्यूमंस आर ट्रेन्ड फॉर सर्वाइवल.
एब्सोल्युटली.
तो ब्रेन्स अपने आप सोल्यूशन निकालते हैं और अपना आप पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट होती है. और टीचर्स ने सबसे पहले आते ही बोल दिया था कि 2 साल में ना योर एंटायर पर्सनैलिटी विल बी चेंज्ड. यू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अबाउट योरसेल्फ, यू विल ग्रो एज अ पर्सन. तुम 3-4 बारी रोगे पूरी रात, मतलब नो मैटर कितने मैस्कुलिन हो, कितने इंसेंसिटिव हो, यू विल क्राई डेफिनेटली. आई डिड. तो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम स्पीकिंग आउट. एंड काफ़ी पीपल they let it aside, they don't consider it as an important aspect, क्योंकि they like down feel कर रहा है, कोई नहीं, खुश हो जा, क्या जा रहा है. So it's not that easy that sometimes, but it's important however that you come out of it. And how do you come out of it, ये मैंने बहुत सोचा है, because काफ़ी रहा है मेरे साथ. So like I said, you have a support system, you have your teachers, you have your parents, you are grateful to have them. Right, use them. Be Absolutely. Grateful and use them, and it's all going to work out in the end. It
Absolutely. Did. And the result is in front of you, so I don't need to talk more about it. So Aayush, if you look at the trend, right? I'm a person who believes that technology can make learning make learning easy. Okay, not only with kids with the access to content and ease of models and things, but also at a teacher's level. Lot of administration work can be made easy with the use of technology. But what we have been seeing is that over last few years, the difference between technology in education and social media, and in fact Instagram, YouTube in education, somewhere the lines have blurred, right? I noticed about the point when you said that 2 years was a penance, you keep away from everything. What are your views? Is it really important to go to YouTube and learn? Or is it just that we be clear that these are the technology tools I need to use?
See, that is subjective. Now, as a city boy, मेरे पास सारे resources थे मेरे पास. मेरे पास Wi-Fi था, मेरे पास books थे. I'm grateful enough to God that I had all resources. But at the same time, I have seen kids who live in remote areas who cannot afford such expensive books. Books nowadays are really expensive. So for them, studying online, studying through YouTube is a boon, a great boon. You get all the resources at your fingertips. Everyone has a phone, right? Phone is necessary nowadays. So at its essence, technology is really helpful, all right? But there's a quote, right? Technology is a good servant, but a bad master. अब overuse करने लग जाओ, आप अपने limits test करो उसके साथ, तो आप सबसे ज़्यादा धोखा खुद को ही दे रहे हो.
Absolutely.
Algorithm is made that way, right? Doom scrolling का करना है, YouTube का, I believe the YouTube's algorithm is made for doom scrolling.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So you need to know कि what is wrong for you, what is right, and what is the boundary.
Yep.
And if you know that, go ahead. Right? बहुत resources है, go ahead.
And what did you understand about your boundary? 2 साल में आपने क्या decide किया था?
Okay, ये थोड़ा मतलब मैं वो बाउंड्री कभी कभी समझ नहीं पाता था खुद से ही, तो आई एम गिल्टी फॉर दैट.
But that is the point. The point exactly is that, right? And that's where the whole question, or do you want to learn or do you want to be distracted, comes in.
Yes, sir.
I think that's where a large part, your parents come in, your teachers come in to guide them in the right direction. So technology as an enabler is very, very important. This content, as you rightly said, is giving opportunities to a lot of people who don't have that access and affordability. But in the current times, it has become more of a distraction than anything else. So it is the responsibility of us teachers to ensure that the dose is the right one.
It is.
Yeah, but great. And yeah, so let me now ask you some rapid fire questions.
Sure.
Right? You know how rapid fire works. I'm not going to give any details of it.
बस PCM मत पूछना please.
Okay, maths or physics?
Ooh, physics.
Physics, all right. Researcher or a coder?
Coder. Easy.
What will your best friend or best friends describe you?
Okay. Best friends will describe me as probably सबसे वेला. Always ready to have fun.
Okay.
I just need an invitation. भाई मैं आएगा. Done.
So that was a distraction you kept away from.
मैं try कर रहा था ये आए ना but
But yeah, I mean it's great that you are accepting it. And
it is who I am.
Fantastic. Startup guy or a corporate honcho?
Startup.
Fantastic. Late night problem solving or early morning learning?
Early.
Early morning? Okay, so you're an early morning person. Okay, so before we close, I want Aayush you to give a message to your audience who wants to really learn to be like you.
Sure sir. ये 4 साल की जो जर्नी रहने वाली है ना आपकी, या फिर आपने स्टार्ट कर दी होगी तो 3, 2, 1 साल से ऑन, इट्स गोइंग टू बी लाइफ टाइम मेमोरी फॉर यू. आप गिरोगे, आप उठोगे, फिर दोबारा गिरोगे, फिर बहुत ज़्यादा गंदे तरीके से गिरोगे. यू लर्न अ लॉट अबाउट योर सेल्फ, अबाउट योर शॉर्ट कमिंग्स, अबाउट योर सक्सेसेस, अबाउट योर स्ट्रेंथ्स, एंड कभी कभी ओवरवेलमिंग भी होगा. बट रिमेंबर, इफ़ आई कैन डू इट, you can do it too. Keep going. All the best.
That was Aayush Agarwal for you, and I from the whole Aakash family wants to thank you so much, Aayush, and this is incredible. We are really proud to have created a success like this.
Thank you so much, sir.
All the very best, and we'll keep in touch. Thank you.
Sir. Thank you.